In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the sidebar in WordPress 2025, quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to tailor your WordPress sidebar to better fit your theme or site content, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to WordPress.com. This is the hub for all things WordPress, from building and designing your site to making detailed customizations, like editing your sidebar. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log in. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress account, where you have the control to tailor your site. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially your control panel where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now, on the left-hand side navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Appearance. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial as it deals with the aesthetics and layout of your site, giving you the tools you need to customize your site's visual elements. Within Appearance, you'll find a section called Customize. Clicking on Customize will take you to the WordPress Customizer, a live editor that allows you to make changes in real time and see how they look before publishing. Once you're in the Customizer, look for the Post Types menu. Click on this option to delve deeper into the customization of your content types. From here, navigate to Single Post. Selecting Single Post is important because it allows you to configure how individual blog posts will appear on your site, which directly impacts your sidebar's display in this context. Finally, you'll find the Sidebar section. Click on it, and this is where the real customization magic happens. Here, you can configure the sidebar settings to suit your needs. Whether it's adding, removing, or rearranging widgets, the sidebar options give you complete control over what your readers will see alongside your content. And just like that, you're all set. Editing your WordPress sidebar in 2025 is a straightforward process that empowers you to enhance your site's functionality and visual appeal. By following these steps, you can ensure that your sidebar not only looks great, but also complements the overall design and purpose of your site. Remember to explore other customization options available in WordPress to make the most out of your web design experience. Thank you for following along, and happy editing!